Hi there, welcome to another educational video documenting my Web3 expeditions. This video is about Karak network. It's now obvious that a token is in the making. There's also the prospect of an airdrop considering it has a point system. Although the point system has been running for a period, you may be interested in doing the basics even now. Now, when there is mention of a foundation and of a prospective token, it tells you that perhaps snapshot is near. It doesn't mean that snapshot has been taken. For those who may have large equity or stuff like that, they can still dominate with Karak network because it's a blockchain for LSTs, so it will involve your idle funds. Interestingly, with Karak network, you can earn the Karak network points with your stable coins. In this video, we'll be giving you an overview of how to get started. In subsequent videos, I'll be tackling different strategies to maximize your airdrop count and airdrop size. Now I'm creating a material for airdropc.com, so this video will form part of a publication for the Karak network airdrop published on Airdrop.c. I'll talk about that later on. Very quickly, let's look at the token. The ticker is CAR. Now, this publication, not much said about token distribution, not much mentioned about an airdrop. But it talks about their ambition is to empower everyone. So that highlights widely distributed airdrop. There's also an AI element to the chain. Okay. As for the token, it said it's more than a token. It's the fuel that powers the future of global finance. It serves as the anchor for trust. CAR will serve as a foundational asset within the Karak ecosystem alongside BTC and others, providing stability and trust for the economies of specialized layer 1 blockchain network. Anyway, I just wanted to see if there is mention of an airdrop, but not in this publication. Now that tells me that snapshot has not been taken. It may still take a while before snapshot is taken, and that's all I can derive. I believe they will have an airdrop. They raised 43 million, have a point system, so there is likely to be an airdrop. Anyway, let's go ahead with how to get started with Karak. Now, the links and all that will be in the description. We're starting on Karak network stake now. Now, I don't know if invite codes are needed currently. I don't know, because though there are invite codes, there was originally, but I don't know if they are still obtainable now, because this is my test wallet. I was able to connect directly. So, but if you need invite codes, assuming it becomes obtainable, you can use any of this shown here. Okay, currently phase 2 is running, and you have the luxury of depositing a wide range of cryptocurrencies on a wide range of chains, which is great, and you also have the possibility of earning multiple airdrops, not only Karak. So that's where strategy comes in. But for now, let's just focus on strategies involving stable coins. For those who are interested in stable coins, they want to maintain their principal intact while earning the Karak network airdrop and perhaps a bunch of other airdrops. Then you want to target stable coin options. So they have some filters here which you can use. You can just check only stable coins if that's what you want. So stable coin. And now for the chains, most of the stablecoin opportunities are on Ethereum, but there are some such like opportunities on Arbitrum, so you can explore the different chains here. Okay, now you see the option of USDC here. This will give you 1.5x Karak's multiplier, but this will also give you 1.5x multiplier. This is USDT. On the Arbitrum chain, this is Lido wrapped ST ETH. No, this is not stable. So these are the stable coin options on Arbitrum, USDC, and USDT. So if I click on this, All I need to do to deposit here is to have USDC on the Arbitrum chain. We all know how to get that. You can get that even directly on your MetaMask or, using a DEX. So if you switch to Arbitrum here, you can use the swap function here, assuming you funded your account with some ETH to get USDC. Okay. So that's that. Deposit is the traditional way of depositing. On stake, take note, for security purposes, on staking will begin a 7-day queuing period which cannot be reversed, after which you can withdraw. So it's not instantaneous withdrawal. Okay. Now let's look at other options. So governance table. Now for any of the coins, you may already have some of the coins shown here. Okay, and for example, if you had usual, I don't think this is still obtainable. I don't think this is still obtainable because the airdrop for usual has taken place, although it's still on display here. But you may be interested in other strategies such as Lombard, for example. In this case, you have to deposit LBTC. So maybe for the sake of this video, let's just use the Lombard approach for this particular video. So for Lombard, first you want to go and onboard on Lombard. That's important because you may end up losing the airdrop if you don't onboard. Now for onboarding, I'll add my invite code. The reason is because with an invite code, you'd get 10% boost on your earnings, points, your Lombard's points earnings. So the link will be in the description. You onboard. I believe this is going to happen on the Ethereum chain. So let me just switch to Ethereum for now. So you see here, if you are referred, you will get 10% extra LUX. LUX is the points earned from Lombard. But interestingly, with Lombard, you also earn Babylon points. When you get your LBTC, you'll start earning Babylon points as well. So that's 2 airdrops. Now it's also early. This is the phase. I don't know. This have expired. So this is the phase that it's currently on. Public beta participant. So it's still early. So for this one, let's just verify that it's on the Ethereum chain. So we'll go back to Karak, click here. Okay, so you see the network is Ethereum. So your route through Lombard has to be Ethereum. So you have to change the network here to Ethereum. Then you click on get BTC, LBTC. Now, since the last video, I think I need to report this to the team. There was a bug, that prevented you to deposit your wrapped BTC here, so normally there's supposed to be the wrapped BTC option because we are talking of BTC on Ethereum. So there is a bug. You're not able to do it using this portal here. So you need a workaround, which means buying LBTC directly on Ethereum. You can buy LBTC directly through MetaMask. So while you have deposited ETH onto your MetaMask on the Ethereum chain, you can click on swap LBTC. Okay, then swap some ETH for LBTC. Now, once you have done that, your balance will already be, your LBTC balance will already be here. So you no longer need this portal. You skipped this process. Typically what you do with this portal is deposit your wrapped BTC. Then when you deposit it into the Lombard protocol pool, you'll be getting LBTC in turn, which is BTC, value wise, but powered by Lombard. It's a liquid staking variant of BTC called LBTC. Now, once you have that LBTC, as long as you have onboarded here, because onboarding will allow you to earn 10% extra LUX, and your Lux earnings will be tracked. It will also allow you to earn Babylon points. Then you can take that LBTC to redeposit it on Karak. So when you come here and you refresh the page, your LBTC balance will show up here. You simply deposit it. Okay. Now, when you have deposited it, you are now involving the Karak network airdrop. You will start earning points from Karak, making it 3 airdrops. To unstake it, unstaking is not instantaneous, by the way. It takes 7 days. But you'll be earning points. You'll be maintaining your principal, which is BTC, and you're positioned for 3 airdrops. So let's leave it at that for this strategy. In another video, I'll focus on another strategy because I'm working on reforming this portal on airdropc.com and filling it up with 100 solid airdrops. That's my plan for the I plan to complete this by the end of January and send out a notice to airdrop reminder subscribers. So submit your email here to subscribe. So I'll be reforming this portal here with new information. There's something about Karak here, but I believe it's outdated to an extent. So this video will make one of the videos featured here. Then the next strategy will be another video along with an entire publication telling you how to approach the Karak network airdrop while maximizing your airdrop count. So do well to subscribe to airdrop reminders. Also follow, let's go Twitter. So it's just a new account on Twitter for airdrop C. Do well to follow airdrop C. I'll be working on here as well in conjunction with airdrop C. Let's leave it at that for this video. Stay tuned for the next video, which you will all find. You'll find a compilation of them on airdrop C. Pertaining to Karak network. And subscribe to Web3 Wikis on all socials. Stay awesome. Take action. Also check the description. There will be additional information there. Stay awesome.